Okay, so to set a watermark, you have to go to Cloud Files, and then go to Menu, which is at the top. And then scroll down. You have Default Watermark. Tap on that. And then you can either draw, or you can add an image, or you can add text. Okay, so let's just add a text. And you can move it around. You can resize. Well, you can't resize it, I guess. You can bold it. I don't know. Just make adjustments. And draw. It's interesting that you can't combine multiple things. You can have both drawing and text. But yeah. Anyway, so like once you're done creating the watermark, just tap save. And does it get reset? Yeah, I guess the position gets reset to top left, I guess. But yeah, that's how you set the watermark. And yeah, now it's gonna get applied every time you scan things, and that's it.